day 2, Huntsville Hamfest. Stick around.
My booth is not too far. I done tell you what the answer is going to be.
Sorry for the noise, guys. Just readjusting my microphone. Some of these vendors are not open yet. Wired Communications is here.
I don't remember power. It's got this. It's got
on the radio.
Hey, Mike.
There's old buddy Mike. So I've received some comments on yesterday's video about not showing up close and prices. Well, there's two things you got to remember here, guys. For one, not everything is priced, or at least marked with prices. The other problem is there are 500 tables in this place. If I went through and went slowly and showed close-ups of every table, I would need a whole week. There's that many tables. So, apologize for that. Unfortunately, me showing prices doesn't help you anyway, though, because you're not here. You can't buy it, so. Oh, that's all right. Quicksilver Radio. Parts and pieces, ham sticks there. Morning. Those are some cool old radios back there. They, you'll see, we released a video about the Signals Museum here in Huntsville. You'll see some really cool stuff in that if you haven't watched it already. Had a bunch of old radios like that back there.
I'm just north of you. I'm in North. I do pretty well. I'm on the mom side. My mom was born in the state.
get a bunch of vendors that do offer a bunch of random stuff. You got fans and laser lights and things like that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Tower Electronics, a Hamfest commodity. Got different parts and pieces and things of that nature. Power cables. Radio Prep World Radio League, which, by the way, this is the last stop on this year's HamShackTV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. So we really appreciate those guys. Don't forget, if you are looking to get your amateur radio license, upgrade, or maybe just want to learn some new skills, Ham Radio Prep is the way to go with that. They have Tech, General, Extra Class courses. They have a Ham Radio Basics course, an MCOM course, all kinds of different options. I think they just launched a satellite course too. But check them out, hamradioprep.com. If you use my coupon code HamShackTV10 or HamShackTV at checkout, you'll get 10% off their already great prices. Check that out. Backpack with a LED scroll. Also got a hat down there that does the same thing. So we appreciate Ham Radio Prep for their sponsorship, along with World Radio League. And maybe you've got all your licenses, you got all the education you want, go check out World Radio League. I think you'll really like what they've got. Really outstanding logging software. I think you'll love it. Free to try. Go to go to worldradioleague.com. Sign up for a free camp. Give it a try. And if you really like what you see, you can do a premium membership, which will give you some extra features, and it's really affordable. Anyway, go check out their great prices. Go check out everything they offer. WorldRadioLeague.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV10. Get 10% off if you choose to do a paid membership, and I think you will. It's really cool stuff. All right, so we're continuing on here, about halfway through part 2 of the flea market here.
But they do great. I've got a broken 13,000.
Yeah, I get comments all the time about, can you show this? Can you show that? And then I get people saying, well, I don't care about all the junk on the tables. I want to see people's faces. Y'all, I can't please everybody. Because if I did go to show all that, y'all wouldn't stay and watch. Trust me, I see the numbers. Y'all wouldn't stay and watch. Retention numbers are not good on stuff like that.
Yeah. All right, man.
Yeah, it's there.
I'm gonna get with you soon about that because I want to get that set up.
All right, coming back around here. Next lap. Look at that Kenwood TS990. That is a beautiful rig.
Josh, how you doing?
Morning, good. Good price on the SWR meter.
It is. Yeah.
So my next
All
thing
right.
is I need to
Got about a row and a half to go here.
I'm looking at the camera because if I'm looking at the screen, my eyes are looking down.
You always catch me with my camera.
That's it.
All right, you too. All those oscilloscopes there. And I said it in one other video, I'll say it again. It would not be a Hamfest without the wireman. They're always here, always at pretty much almost every Hamfest I go to. I made another comment in the other video that some of you giggled at in the comments, but I can't take credit for it. It's Nancy from Rars Fest, the Raleigh Hamfest phrase, but she said she could have a yard sale and the wireman would show up. So
Okay.
that's it. That's it. All right, we're coming close to wrapping up here.
Won't argue back.
Got some Mosley. Crafter. All right, so that wraps up the flea market, but there's about, well, maybe not all the flea market, that wraps up most of it. We've got about one more thing we need to see in this video. Check out those quilts. And the Midwest Amateur Radio Club. I think I showed them. This is Signals, guys. Go check out the most recent video. Hey, Michael. Signals is a cool museum. I walked through there yesterday. One of the most recent videos you see, you'll see the tour of that. And if you're in the Huntsville, Alabama area, guys, go check out Signals. Well worth a little bit of admission. It's a pretty cool little museum. They do have a ham radio display in there. And an actually fully functional station. I did mention that video, I didn't know if the station was functioning. It is functioning. They have a great big old beam setup out there. So anyway, all right, we'll circle back around here. All right, so that completes the Boneyard. You've seen part one, now you've seen part two. If you haven't seen part one, go back and watch part one. Video is in there. Gonna do the YouTubers forum here in a minute. I'll have special coverage of that. You'll get to see that in full. So keep watching, stay tuned, like, subscribe, favorites, super thanks, super chat, shop the affiliate links, all that good stuff. All that stuff is helping this channel grow and helping me be able to be at places like this for your entertainment. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. 73's AA4WX WSEB 693.